Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write text on picture in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see write on picture in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option. Now at first, open the picture. Now click for open option. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now open the picture in Photoshop. Now we're going to toolbar option. Now select from text tool option. Now select text. Now type your text. Now keyboard press enter. Then keyboard press Ctrl T and this is your text. Now again keyboard press enter. Now going to the color. Now change from color. Now this is color. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see write text on picture in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.